Hi, everybody. Hey, this is Dawn Bourget, Dawn's Creative Chalet, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And I just wanted to give you guys a little peek at what is coming. This is a really great collection, I guess you'll call it, and it's called All Together. It's going to be available on February 1st through May 2nd for customers. If you would like to get your hands on it early, you can join Stampin' Up! During Sale A Bration and put this into your kit or purchase it after you've become a demonstrator. So anyway, I wanted to show you guys this. I think it's very, very cool. It has some beautiful patterns of paper, which I'll go through in a minute. But I'm loving this set, and I'll tell you why right there. I love these new colors of blends, and I believe that they're going to be carried over into our new annual catalog in May. But check these out. I mean, beautiful, right? For every skin tone, very inclusive. And we have the Gotta Have It All bundle, which comes with a stamp set, which I'll show you in a minute. A pack of paper, all of the blends, and also the dies. Now, just to let you guys know, the blends come in packs of 2. So it's not that they're the same color. As you can see, they are different shades. Whoops, I'm going to scoot this so you can actually see these. But these are how they are grouped when you get them in packs of 2. And there are 5 packs available. Okay. All right. So those are the blends. And here is the stamp set. And if you choose to get the bundle, I'll show you these dies are very cool. I love word dies, and look how big they are. So even if you don't always use them with this set, these dies are going to be very handy. I honestly, I couldn't wait to get these. So here's the stamp set once again. How cool is that? I love the sentiments in this. And then again, here's the dies. You matter and here for you, which I'll turn this around so you can, I know it's backwards. I know. But anyway, also I wanted to show you the designer paper. It's 6 by 6 in size, so I thought I'd go through them really quick. So here's one side, and then the other side. I love that it's black and white because it gives you some versatility. Check this one out. Isn't that cool? And then there's this one here. And here's the back side. This one here. Whoops. And the back side. Could be a rainbow. This one, isn't that cute? With the little hearts. I even think pinky swear when I see this. And oh, look at the hearts, you guys. So cute. Check this one out. And then here is the other side. Isn't that cool? I love black and white designer paper because it's just endless options with this. Check this one out. And then this is the other side. Here's another one, polka dots, which I love. And, woo, big polka dots there. Isn't that cool? And then there's this one here. And the back side of that. And one more. Here you go. Very cool. Oh, I love it. So, like I said, this will be available on February the 1st through May the 2nd, okay? And like I said, if you want it now, go ahead and join Stampin' Up! With me. And you can put this stuff into your cart. The Gotta Have It All bundle is $105. So our starter kit is $99 and you choose $125 of product Pretty cool, right? Then you can also pick actually a little bit more stuff, like our black and white matte dots would be perfect. That type of thing. And you can throw it all together and then from there get a discount on all of your stuff when you join up with us at the Chalet Stampers. But anyway, I had to show you this. I think it is super, super cool. And I can't wait to play with it and show you guys some samples with this on a future Facebook Live. So, hey, thanks so much. Have a great day and happy crafting. Bye-bye.